What's going on, y'all? Check it out. We about to do some fried chicken sandwiches, y'all. They gonna be so tasty. But anyway, let's get it, y'all. Let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. So this is what we using for our chicken sandwich. Some deboned leg quarters. I deboned them myself. Some basil. Some ginger. And we got some onions and bell peppers also, y'all. So let's go ahead and get everything into our food processor. Now you can definitely use a meat grinder for this, but I know most people have a food processor, so I decided to use the food processor today. So now once we got all our meat in and our onions and bell peppers, we're gonna get our top on. Remind you, just click down, clickety click. Then it's ready. Now we're gonna give a couple of pulses. After we get a couple pulses, we're gonna go ahead and add in our garlic and our basil. Now I also added in salt and pepper, but I don't think I caught it on camera, y'all. I must have missed it. And then we just gonna process this on up. Now as far as our basil and our garlic, I added a tablespoon of each, which was in paste form. Now if you don't have paste form, you can add in 2 cloves of garlic and about 2 tablespoons of dried basil. So once we get everything processed well in our processor, this is what it's gonna look like. Some nice ground meat. And we're just simply gonna make patties out of it. That's all, y'all. We already got our salt and our pepper in there. We got our bell pepper, onion, our basil, and our garlic. It's already seasoned up well, y'all. It's already seasoned up well. After we form our patties, we're gonna go ahead and get breadcrumbs on top. Just for a little extra crunch, y'all, when we fry it up. And then we're gonna put these in the freezer for about 30 minutes, just to firm them up a bit, make them easy to work with in their grease. Now we're frying these up in vegetable oil at 375 degrees, y'all. Oh my goodness, look at those patties. Well, sometimes it just looks tasty looking at stuff fried. So after approximately 5 minutes, we're gonna give them a check. Yeah, let's go ahead and get these a flippy flip. Get them nice and golden on both sides. They already looking good, y'all. They already looking good for real. And oh yeah, let's give them a test. Now mine took approximately around 7 minutes to fry. And as you can see, they done, y'all. They done. Time to sandwich up. Time to sandwich up. Get them on out that grease, y'all. Get them on out. So I had mine with 2 pickles, sweet bread and butter, some fries, and a slice of American cheese, y'all. And I enjoyed my sandwich. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace. Keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.